Hey folks, ready to dive into the exciting world of commodity markets? These markets are where the world's raw materials, the lifeblood of global trade, are bought and sold. We're talking oil, gold, wheat, you name it. These markets are a roller coaster of volatility and opportunity. So buckle up, because we're about to break down everything you need to know about commodity markets. Let's get started. Commodity markets are older than your grandpa's vintage car. We're talking ancient civilizations trading spices, metals, and grains. Today, we've got sophisticated exchanges like MCX in India, NYMEX in the USA, and the London Metal Exchange. These are the battlegrounds where fortunes are made and lost. The basic principle remains the same: connecting buyers and sellers of crucial raw materials, impacting businesses and economies globally. All right, are you ready to jump into the action? There are two main ways to play the commodity game: investing and trading. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. You're buying commodities for the long haul, hoping to protect yourself against inflation. Trading is fast-paced and risky, speculating on short-term price swings using futures contracts. It's like riding a bucking bronco. You gotta hold on tight. But whether you're a long-term investor or a trader, you need to understand the fundamentals. Supply and demand, folks, that's what makes this market tick. Now let's meet the players in this high-stakes game. First up, we've got the producers, the farmers, the miners, the oil companies. Then there are the consumers, the manufacturers, the processors. They need those commodities to keep their businesses humming. Don't forget about the speculators. These are the traders, the hedge funds. They're in it for the quick buck, riding those price waves. And finally, we've got the big dogs, governments and central banks. It's this interplay between these players that creates the volatility and the opportunity in the commodity markets. Now here's where commodities get real, folks. Unlike stocks, commodities are tangible. You can touch them, smell them, even taste some of them. We're talking about oil, wheat, coffee. These things need to be stored, shipped, and delivered. All of this real-world stuff, logistics, storage, geopolitics, factors into the price. Commodities are the real deal, and their prices reflect the world we live in. All right, let's talk about some of the big players in the commodity world. First up, we've got energy, oil, and natural gas. These fuels power our world and impact everything from your commute to grocery costs. Then there's metals, gold, silver, copper, prized for centuries. They're still in high demand for everything from jewelry to electronics. And don't forget about agriculture, wheat, coffee, sugar. These staples keep us fed and caffeinated, and their prices are always on the move. Commodities are everywhere, folks, and understanding them is essential to navigating the global economy. So there you have it, folks, the wild, wacky, and wonderful world of commodity markets. From ancient trade routes to modern-day exchanges, commodities have always been the backbone of the global economy. These markets impact your life every single day, from the price you pay at the pump to the cost of your morning cup of joe. Want to learn more about navigating the markets and making smart investment decisions? Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and join me on the road to financial freedom. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of finance, information is king.